Have you ever measured something with your hands and your friend got a different answer? It's because everyone's hands are different sizes. To solve this problem, people invented standard units, measurements that are the same for everyone, everywhere. And today, we're learning the secret language of one of the most useful standard units, the centimeter. A centimeter, or cm, is tiny. It's about the width of your pinky finger, or a small button. Because every centimeter is exactly the same, if you measure a pencil and say it's 15 centimeters long, your friend will get the same answer. No more arguments. To measure in centimeters, you need a ruler. But the ruler has one super important rule, the most important rule of all. Always start at the 0. Many people make the mistake of starting at the 1 or at the very edge of the plastic. If you do that, you've missed a whole centimeter. Think about this. If you line up a crayon starting at the 2 on the ruler and it ends at the 10, is it 10 centimeters long? Nope, you missed the first 2 centimeters. You have to find the difference. 10 minus 2 equals 8. The crayon is actually 8 centimeters long. That's why we always try to start at 0. This is why standard units are so important. You wouldn't order a new bike by saying you want it 5 shoes long because everyone's shoes are different sizes. But if you use centimeters, the bike maker knows exactly what you mean. The centimeter is a precise language. So, the centimeter isn't just a little mark on a ruler. It's a powerful tool that helps us share ideas and build things accurately. Now, grab a ruler, remember the golden 0 rule, and see what you can measure.